Ashley from Naughty Tree Reviews, and today we're here with BootayBag. I have unboxes on my channel several times. This is a monthly underwear subscription box. Basically, when you sign up for BootayBag, you tell them whether you want 2 or 4. Typically, it's 2 pairs of underwear a month for $15. You'll choose your size. It runs from, I think, extra small through extra large. And then you'll decide whether you want just thongs always, just regular underwear, or a mix of both. We're going to open this together. It comes in this cool little, hello babe, I'm here. Like I said, it is $15 a month. So we're going to find out what our 2 underwears in here are. Are y'all ready to find out? They were on Shark Tank. I just saw that on their site. I was like, oh, that's cool. Ooh, orange. You guys know I love orange. All right, so our first pair is a pair of thongs. So this is the thong, definitely, for sure. This has a really wide band with kind of a, like a, I want to say a wavy ribbing, which is neat. I love this color. I don't have any underwear like this right now, so that's pretty cool. Those are super pretty. And then the tag does have their logo on it, FYI. All right, then we have, these are like more of a green style. So hold on, let me get the, you ever watch Letterkenny the McMurrays? So these are green. The front panel is just a polka dotted, kind of, this is like a stretchy, like spandex material. And then in the back, it kind of has this cool, this is a string thong. Come on now, do what I want you to do. All right, got it. So you have this double band, and then it's just a string in the back. So those are my 2 BootayBag underwears for this month. I will link down below to BootayBag with my affiliate link, and also to my full review, where we won't go in depth. We will take pictures and we'll talk about it a little bit more in depth, but not that kind of in depth. That wasn't, if you were thinking that, just get that right out of your mind. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.